Dan, we're filming. Stop right there.
Add me on Pokemon Go. I'm trying to battle.
Dan, we have the experiment of all experiments to solve today.
What is that?
Oh, thank you for asking, Dan.
What is the experiment?
The experiment is skate wax. That's the experiment, Dan.
That's not an experiment.
Versus butter.
You have butter with you? Is that what you have in your hand behind you?
I have nothing in my hand.
Oh.
I'm just trying to make this as awkward as possible.
I don't think you can out-awkward me.
I don't think so, actually. You're pretty
just
good.
awkward and
I mean, your
real life.
overall persona is just awkward.
I know,
Kind of
that's
like
what I'm saying.
antisocial,
Yep.
weird, kind of like... No, I'm just kidding. What's going on, everyone? So we have an experiment, and I was thinking in my brain, wow, you're almost out of ideas, Gabe Cruz, but not yet, not this time. Because what we want to do, and by we I mean me, I want to see if skate wax can be easily replaced by real butter. So I had our wonderful person, Derek, go to the store, pick us up a lot of butter, and what we're gonna do is set up this flat bar. I'm going to allow Uzi and Glow to wax it as much as they want. Oh, skate wax? We got a jet coming by. 3. Holy
It wasn't like earlier.
Sorry.
So what we're gonna do is let Uzi and Glow wax up the flat bar as much as they want. They're gonna skate it for 10 minutes, really get to know the feeling of that rail. And then I'm going to meticulously scrape off every bit of wax on that rail. And then we're gonna get out the sticks of butter and we're gonna see if butter can replace skate wax. But we wanna know what you think. Leave it in the comments below. I think it's gonna work great. Give you a hand.
I got you. Don't worry, because he's not going to do nothing. He doesn't do nothing around here.
Wow! I don't do nothing around here. Jeez, you want to film the videos and get them all edited for me, my friend? Jeez. Can I get a comment on Uzi's effort today?
What do you mean?
Oh, fuck! What we have right here is the Float Life Wax. Here you go, brother. Nice new pass going on. So, Glow, how much wax do you usually put on this?
A lot.
Like, you usually
I
sit
need
on
a chair. Yeah, I need a chair.
Glow literally sits here on a chair and he just rolls backwards and just continuously just butters the, wax is not butters, butter is later.
We're in business.
Here we go. Let's see. This is the professional Glow waxing technique. If you want to get good at skateboarding, learn how to wax your rail just like this.
Not all the time you get a chair, so you got to take advantage when you have a chair.
That's exactly correct.
This way you can have a conversation.
And why do you prefer having your rails nice and waxed up?
So you don't get hung up and you get stuck, and then no one wants to do all that. You just want to be able to slide when you get on these things.
But do you fear that if you put too much wax, that you will then slide?
That's definitely a big possibility and a factor when it comes to skating with me. So you got to find your speed.
Slipping out is better than sticking.
100% correct. I'd rather slip out than stick.
He'd rather slip out
Come on, brother.
than stick. Oh, come on, Dan.
Watch out, watch out, watch out. See that slide out?
Siri, can I get a timer for 10 minutes?
Right there, that's a lot of wax on there. Slip it out. Yeah, that ain't wax. Okay, Dan. But if I fall on my tailbone, it's over. Wow!
minutes.
I only had 10 minutes with my baby boy today.
Here's what we're gonna do now. We are going to get the wax off this rail, which they already did a pretty good job of. We gotta get the scraper. We got this one. That's not bad. I think we should maybe get some Clorox wipes. Maybe we could wipe it off, you know? And then we got this scraper right here. Oh. Oh, this is so wrong. Oh no, dude, I'm so sorry. I'm ruining this rail.
You might be onto something, brother.
Can I get some comments in below saying, well done, Gabe Cruz? All right, that is how you de-wax a rail. I think we gotta dry it off with some paper towels. Look at that. Woo, I'm sweating, man. Holy mackerel. All right. The final thing is a mop pad, but it has like a nice rough fabric right here. So I think this will do like the final
Little sanding action.
a little sanding action. Yeah, exactly. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's that's terrible. All right, can I see a skateboard? Thank you. Yeah, you can hear it. Yeah, on the wax, it kind of just glides over it all. You can really hear, like come close, Derek. You can hear every little bump it hits. Oh yeah. All right. It's time for some butter. Hey, Globe! You ready?
It's the butter's fault, bro.
It's the same.
Nah, bro. The whole time you
made
didn't see
it
me
better.
sweat.
Yeah. Not bad. Still grinds and still slides, but now we have a control. They know what buttery feels like. Now they know what no wax feels like.
Take that butter off my rail now!
No, there's no butter on it.
Oh, there's not?
No, this is just the rail.
I dare you to just take a bite of this.
No, you gotta wax it yourself.
I need your help. I can't.
You wanna wax it up a little bit?
I dare someone to take a bite out of this.
You take a bite out of
This
it.
that fake butter.
Take a bite out of it.
This
That's
that
butter
fake butter.
It's the real deal right
Nah,
here.
this that fake.
That's that baking butter.
Take
Yeah.
a bite.
This is not it.
Terry, look, I'm gonna.
I like
it. Should be better if it's not butter
Yeah.
because then it would be more oils.
You're right, huh? That's cottage cheese.
I'll do it if
I
someone
need
else does it
buttermilks
with
with me.
Let's take a little bite.
Some girl on TikTok was eating sticks of butter with salsa.
me. Hey, this is gonna be epic.
I have a feeling about to fall off the face.
You might. Hey, come on, get some wax on the rail.
I ain't touching some wax.
I want to know what the price comparison is between just buying butter and buying skate wax.
This stuff. I mean, it's definitely better to just buy skate wax.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah, and you're not gonna get maggots everywhere.
Yeah, that's true. Gentlemen, hold up now. The rail has been waxed. The rail has had the wax removed, and now the wax has been restored in the form of butter. Will it work? Leave it in the comments below. Let's get this 10 minutes started. Siri, start a timer for 10 minutes. 10 minutes!
He said 10 minutes.
Press the time.
You gotta use the same boards, it's gonna ruin the experiment.
It's not last four.
Get more.
Felt more sticky.
No.
How is it?
This is not going well.
You don't want to know.
that thing, boy. I wasn't trying that. I swear I wasn't.
You going for the back three?
I tried. I missed it.
What's happening? Front Smith. Hey, Uzi, that looked pretty good. Yeah, if you are in a pinch, I think I would already say confirmed. Glow, what do you think? You think it's okay? No. Oh, you hate it? Oh man, it's getting sticky. If you land the feeble front shove on this.
Right here, $5?
Yeah? He wanted that 5. Whoa, whoa!
I was gonna take it out on one wheel. Yes, I was. Yes, I was.
What has that one wheel done to you? 3 minutes and 35 seconds. Nice, Dan. Whoa!
I hate that so much. It's so scary.
Is it too slippery? Leave it in the comments below. 2 minutes and 55 seconds. Glow said never too slippery. Damn. Glow, become the butter.
It doesn't want me to land.
Become one with the butter.
Why is this happening?
1 minute. Wow.
How many seconds? How many seconds? 30?
22 seconds. Got enough time for one more, maybe 2. You got 8 seconds, one more. Come on, one more, one more.
Last one.
And even for the love, the butter prevails.
Butter defeated me.
Butter defeated Glow.
Butter defeated me.
All right, Uzi. So you came up with a really good scale. A freshly waxed rail is 100 on the scale. 0 is just a super dry, crusty, old rail at the skate park. And then you ranked the de-waxed rail, which I did, a 15.
Yeah.
So what would you rate the butter rail?
84.
84. Not bad, but what made it minus 16?
Well, I don't know how to describe this, but you can tell that it's thinner. You know, if you've ever stepped in mud and it was really slippery,
Yeah.
like you fall in the mud. But if you got like soap on the floor,
Yeah.
you could step in it, it's slippery, but you can feel there's grip underneath somewhere.
Fantastic,
It's like that.
fantastic description.
Yeah, this would be like the soap. Wax rail would be like the mud. Different slipperiness. I don't know. Viscosity, something, science, I don't know. Something like that.
For sure.
It's also very messy. Wouldn't want to leave my board in my car now because it's going to get flies, stink. Gonna have people in my car and they're gonna say, oh, what's that smell? It's butter. Oh, that's my butter board. You know, you don't want that. Just use the wax.
All right, Glow. I didn't forget you. Okay, so the scale that Uzi came up with, a freshly waxed rail is 100.
Completely right.
A crusty, dry, sticky, nasty rail at a skate park that no one skated in like 2 weeks is a 0. That's the scale he's going with. And the rail that I de-waxed was a 15. So using that 0 to 100 scale, where would you put the butter?
The butter. Ooh, out of 100. Okay, let me think. I'm about to give it.
Be honest. Be brutal.
I'm giving it a solid 89.
89. Okay.
89. Cause look. See, when you're a kid like me growing up, it was hard to get some skateboard wax. Like I had to take the bus and go to a skate shop just to get some for like $3. So when you're at the house, I'm not saying to be wasteful, but to be wasteful, I used to take my mom's soap. I would take the bar soap, but I should have thought of the butter because the butter's cheaper than the soap. So if you need to compromise and you don't got skate wax, take some butter out, chop it in half. You didn't hear that from me, you didn't learn that from me, but just know if I was young and if I needed to wax my curb outside, I'm going straight for the butter or the soap. I love the butter, honestly. It just gets it a little messy and it smells a little weird, so that's the only downside. With that being said, we love butter, and I always butter my toast and butter my waffles a little bit extra, so with that being said, I'm a fan of butter.
You butter be.
And I better I am, butter.